My bike's been doing something really weird in my last few rides, and I'm going to see if I can try and replicate and show you what it's been doing. For some reason when I'm riding along, I'm getting this black band across the screen, and I thought it might have been my refresh rate. I had my frame rate, sorry, not refresh rate, frame rate. I had my frame rate set to 24p, and that was what I had my frame rate set to when I test rode the Indian Chief originally, and I didn't have that issue on that particular screen. So I thought maybe it was my frame rate, so I changed it to 25p, and as you see in this video, it actually made it thicker, broader. Now, looking in the back of the screen here now, it looks completely fine. And I just don't know what's happening, why it's doing it. I'll take this video into my computer and see if it's put that black band on it. Looking at the back of the screen, it looks fine here right now, so yeah, I don't know. If there is no black band on this footage, I will take it for another test ride in the next day or so and see if I can get it to replicate the issue. Now, I have had a look at other people's footage online to see what their frame rate was, and another rider had 25p was their frame rate, and their LCD was completely fine. So I don't think it's a frame rate issue, because I was fine at 24, they were fine at 25, so I don't know. I'm just wondering if it's a brightness issue or whether it's something else altogether. Anyway, let's take this into the computer and see what we got. If it shows up fine on this footage, we'll just have to wait for a couple of days and yeah, see if I can replicate it in the future. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. As always, thank you for your continued support, and until next time, bye for now.
And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Yeah.
Oh, here's a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See ya.